Do you know that you can program your mind and design your life exactly the way you wanted it to be? You have the power. Power to create abundance of wealth, quality relationship, healthy and super rich lifestyle. So get ready, because what I'm going to share with you today is going to guarantee you to create your life exactly the way you wanted it to be. Whether it's about having financial freedom, more time, better health, new home, travel, live more purposefully, meaningfully and fulfilling life, whatever your dreams are and however big it is, listen carefully. You can unlock it and consciously create your future. You know what? Most people reach the end of their lifetime and their number one regret is that they would wish they lived their life differently. But that is not going to happen to you, because you are the kind of person who wants to consciously build your life of your choice, your dreams, your desires and your aspirations. And that's why you're here with me right now, listening to this video. I'm sure that you fall in the 1% of the crowd who loves to uplift yourself to scale up your business, relationship, health and every other aspect of your life. If you have been struggling, stressed out and frustrated by trying so hard to change your life, I totally understand, because I have been there too. But listen carefully. This is a beautiful world where you and I are part of, and our stay here should be an amazing experience. We are created to live and enjoy all the best things available, because we are God's greatest creation and every one of us are born leaders with inborn potential, talent and treasures. My name is Gayatri Bhaskar. I did my master's in business administration and started my career as a corporate trainer. Later, I realized my passion was to give good education to the world, and I established an international school. For almost more than a decade, I was working in the field of education and gained immense amount of knowledge and experience. Though I was happy with my career and identity, I was unhappy with the system of education. I was constantly thinking about it day in and day out, that something is missing. This is not the way it should be. And what is that missing? According to the society, to be successful in life, we need education. But the question is, are all educated people successful in life? I suddenly experienced a kind of epiphany, and that moment of sudden illuminating realization changed my whole perspective towards life. I realized that each and every one of us in this beautiful planet came with a purpose, and every one are born leaders and have great inborn talent, treasure and potential. You might wonder, if that's true, then why is that we are suffering? Why do we have problems? Why can't we achieve all that we wanted in life? If you are unable to earn abundance of money, make quality relationships and have super rich lifestyle, it's absolutely not your fault. Many of our beliefs were formed in the early stages of our lives between the age 0 to 7. Your early experiences and understandings developed a series of beliefs, and that have been used to unconsciously create your life so far. It has been evident that over 90% of the population have deep core underlying belief that they are not good enough, they are not worthy enough, and eventually that they do not love and accept themselves. This leads to addiction, traumatic experiences and general feeling of stress and unhappiness in life. In most cases, these beliefs has been passed on from generation to generation. The problem is everywhere around you. Right from schools functioning like factories, blindly following the curriculum designed to produce workers during Industrial Revolution period. We are trained to compare ourselves with others right from our childhood. Even through media, we grab so many negative thoughts in our everyday life, and so many of the wrong imprints that's there in our subconscious mind, acting as the mental block for our development. We are conditioned wrongly And there are so many misconceptions, threats, and disbeliefs fed inside our mind right from our childhood, and eventually all these things act as the barriers for our development. The Born Leader program is designed to change this. I had put all my years of experience and knowledge, my heart and soul, and designed a 3 weeks in-person training course that will transform your life completely. The truth is, you are the most magnificent being on this planet. You are a born leader, and there are incredible amount of talents and treasures within every single person on this planet. And you are one such incredible resource of this universe. Your mind is programmable. If you don't program it, then someone else will mess it up. You can program your mind and design your life exactly the way you wanted it to be. You have the power to earn abundance of money and create surplus of wealth, quality relationship, and healthy living, and enjoy peace, happiness, joy, bliss, and all the goodness of this world. This is something that the traditional education does not teach us. If you are the person with a burning desire to achieve extraordinary things in your life, this program will help you to scale up you to another level and transform your life completely. How about living a life of your design, knowing that you left none of your big dreams behind? Now let me assure you, no matter where you're coming from and what's your starting point is right now, I know this program will work for you, just like it already did for me and countless of others. This will be your path to find ultimate solution to create your dream life. The key part of this program is you will discover your true self, identify exactly the inborn talent, treasure, and design your life exactly the way you wanted it to be, and become successful in your career, business, relationship, health and fitness, and almost all aspects of life. If it works for me, if it works for countless of others, I'm sure it will work for you too. So no more tears, no more pain, and no more regrets. Life is so beautiful. And to experience its beauty, register now to the Born Leader program.